Hello guys, Igor here doing one more AppSumo review. Today analyzing Subscriber, a tool that claims to create long-form YouTube scripts with hooks and storytelling techniques designed to go viral. I bought tier 4 and the difference here will be the number of script writing credits per month. Those are the number of credits that you need to create the scripts. And the research words credits is the number of words that the tool can read while they are researching about determined topic. When you a PDF, for example, it needs to have 75k words to add research, and the ideation site generations per month up to tier 2 is unlimited. So I would say here that you need to get at least tier 2 because otherwise you're not gonna get all the features here. But to have script canvas, script templates, humanize, video ideas, you need at least the license tier. And with the license tier 4, you get the API access. I would say the best tier to go here is the license tier. The tool works multi-language. You can use any language to work with the tool. And let's take a look at the tool. Here you have first a YouTube Intel where you can set the training content and search on your needs your training content. On channels, you can see the details of your channels, and you can also add a new channel. Pretty simple. Say what kind of content you create and add the URL of your channel, and it's done. You have a channel here, as you can see. The tool has many tools. The first is the video breakdown. They're gonna say the topic of the video, the number of the views. We'll show the video here for you. The narrative techniques, the tone about the video, potential audience, the outline about the video. On description, you can create description of a video. Do your video title. A video about constitutional law. The tool will create the description. It automatically creates the description of the video. You can create a hook with the hook generator. Just add your video idea, and the tool will generate the hooks. Those tools are unlimited. You can use how many times you want. You will not spend credits while you are using their tools. A lot of hook ideas here. The keyword research for the videos. You can think about titles for your video. The tool help with title ideas. You can get the transcript of each videos, and also you can grab the thumbnail of the videos. Just click on the put the URL here, and you're gonna get the thumbnails. So those are the tools, and let's check how the tool works now. Gonna go to my channel, text trades on, and I'm gonna create a script. Just say what about you want to create a script about subscriber for my channel. Structure it's like an educational video. Just click on OK, and the AI will start to work. The chat ideations are unlimited, so you can chat how many times you want to create your video topics and idea. So they already discovered that this subscriber AI platform for YouTube growth. So that we are talking about their own platform. And there is a title, Subscriber Review, the secret AI tool to grow your YouTube channel. So that look good for me. I'm gonna say yes. The tool creates the outline. Ask them to start the outline. It's generating the outline. Credits are free. You're not spending any credits while you're generating your outline. So now that I have the outline, I'm ready to create the script. It spends 5 credits now. Click here to generate the script that the tool will create the script. Here is the script. We talk about the first impression of the tool, the first test run, features that actually matter, and it's going on. So the tool will create the whole script, and when it's ready, you can create the thumbnails. You can generate title options. Just go here for the thumbnails. You can use a reference thumbnail or get 4 concept sketch. For the sake of that review, we're gonna generate 4 concept sketch. Here are you can select one of them. I'm gonna choose this one, and the tool will generate one thumbnail for me. Here is the thumbnail. As you can see, it's pretty good. You can also go back to your channel, and you can see planning, scripting, recording, editing, publish it. You can use your calendar to move your script. One feature here that's really cool is that you can copy everything to the clipboard, export as Word, as PDF, or open in a teleprompter. So the tool has a teleprompter mode that works like that. You can just accelerate if you want, change the speed. So this subscriber, I hope you like that review. Thank you so much.